ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ടു GKC ട്യൂട്ടോറിയൽസ്. ഇന്നത്തെ നമ്മുടെ വീഡിയോ പേഴ്സണൽ ഓഫീസർ എക്സാമിൻ്റെ പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ്. നേരെ നമുക്ക് വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് പോകാം. അതിനു മുൻപ് നമ്മുടെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാനും ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാനും കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. ഓക്കെ, ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, വിച്ച് ഓഫ് ദ ഫോളോയിങ് ഈസ് എ പ്രൈമറി മെത്തേഡ് ഓഫ് സോഷ്യൽ വർക്ക്? കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ സോഷ്യൽ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് വർക്ക്. നെക്സ്റ്റ്, വിച്ച് ഓഫ് ദ ഫോളോയിങ് ഈസ് എ സ്പേസ് റിലേറ്റഡ് പാർട്ടിസിപ്പേറ്ററി റൂറൽ അപ്രൈസൽ? ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് PRA method. Correct answer, transect. When people join together and take initiatives independent of external institutions to change the existing system is conceptualized as. Answer, participation by self-mobilization. The 8 models of community practice with 21st century context was introduced by. Answer, Dorothy Gamble and Mary Weil. Which is a social obstacle to people's participation? Answer, culture of silence. Who among the following is often recognized as the pioneer of participatory development research approach? Answer, Robert Chambers. An appropriate participatory rural appraisal, that means PRA method, used to explore temporary dimension with a focus on change is. Answer, trend analysis. Social case work as a method of social work is considered as a. Answer, micro method. Who has defined social case work as the art of bringing about the better adjustment in the social relationship of individual men or women or children? Answer, Mary Richmond. Next question, the action for social, economic and environmental justice that provides new paradigms for the development of people and planet is the most desired outcome of which community practice model? Answer, movements for progressive change. Which of the following is a hallmark of professional relationship in social work practice? Options, homely, open-ended, aesthetics, limited according to the problem. Correct answer, limited according to the problem. Next, the purpose of case work relationship are. Correct answer, to help the client to solve his psychosocial problems and better social functioning. Next question, the ability of case worker to perceive and communicate accurately both feeling and experiences of client and their meaning to the client is technically called. Answer, empathy. When the case worker perceives and deals with the client as he really is, including his positive and negative feelings, the principle of case work relationship applied is. Answer, acceptance. The functional approach to social work practice is based on the personality theory of. Answer, Otto Rank. The specific irrational response of the client to the social case worker as though the worker was some person in the client's previous experience is technically termed as. Answer, transference. Organizing and development for progressive change includes. Correct answer, options are enhancing democracy, respect for people and their opinion, encourage the diversity within the society. These three are the correct answer. The empowerment approach of non-disruptive involvement in the political or regulatory structure is known as. Answer, civic engagement. Which is the best example for social production approach? Answer, creating jobs. The resources embedded in social relations among persons and organizations that facilitate cooperation and collaboration in communities is termed as. Answer, social capital. Which is not a trait of non-profit organization? Answer, ownership through shares that are bought and sold as stocks. In participatory rural appraisal, the major focus is on local people's perspectives, which is technically called perspectives. An important principle followed in PRA in order to arrive at correct details and conclusions is? Answer: triangulation. Which community organization's approach has mainly advocated constructive work as technique of community welfare? Answer: Sarvodaya. Sarvodaya community. The conscientization strategy in social mobilization is associated with the name of Paulo Freire. The Community Development Program was officially launched by the Government of India in the year 1952, which is not a principle of group work. Answer: interaction of a group should be unguided. Who was one of the founders of settlement movement? Answer: Jane Addams. The organized and legally permitted activities designed to mobilize public opinion and legislation in favor of socially desirable objectives is understood in social work as social action. Which of the following is a value mostly relating to social work practice? Answer: social work believes in scientific knowledge and practices. Which is a true doctrine of social work practice? Answer: socialized individualism. The London Charity Organization was established in the year 1869. The Elizabethan Poor Law, popularly known as 43 Elizabeth, the basic of handling relief in England, was enacted in the year 1601. Which of the following is the first step in community organization? Answer: relationship building. The unit of action in community development is local community. The sample used in participatory rural appraisal is opportunity samples. Which is not a feature of action research? Answer: outcome of research can be generalized. Before and after design, control group design and cause and consequence method are most suitable synonyms for experimental research. A variable that is manipulated by the researcher on his effort to determine what its connection with the observed phenomenon is called in research as independent variable. A measurement of central tendency that identifies the most frequently occurring value in a set of value is called mode. Which statistical test is used for analyzing nominal data? Chi-square. A statement postulating a possible relationship between two or more phenomena is termed in social research as? Answer: hypothesis. A term is used in research that indicates the extent to which a test complies with the aim it was designed for. Validity. A research method in which the same group of people is studied over a long period of time is called longitudinal study. Which research method would be most appropriate for investigating the parents' religious belief and their attitude towards the sex education in school? Answer: survey. Which of the following statistical test can be applied on the data collected using an ordinal scale? Answer: median and percentile. Which among the following is a formal experimental design? Answer: Latin square design. The act of directly representing and defending a cause of action on behalf of an individual or groups or communities with a goal of securing social justice is called social advocacy. The primary practice tool of a social worker in social work profession is conscious use of self. The core value of social work, other than the dignity and worth of persons and importance of human relations depicted in the Code of Ethics of NASWR: service, social justice, integrity, and competence. A social system consists of aggregation of interrelated and interconnected elements and activities, particular pattern of behavior, hierarchical and multi-level structures. These three are the answers. Which of the following practice framework of social work anticipates the existence of positive and constructive element even in the tragic of situation, even when the client's behavior is seriously dysfunctional. Answer: strength perspectives. When the social worker asks a client to take on the perspective or vantage point of another person in an effort to better understand that person, the technique applied is called role reversal. International Organization of Social Workers striving for social justice, human rights and social development is popularly known as. Answer: IFSW. The proper sequencing of events and estimating the amount of time required to complete each activity or event is scheduled in project management by using. Answer: PERT chart. PERT PERT chart. The cognitive domain of development include perception, thinking and language. Psychological development focuses mainly on personality, emotions and relationship with others. The ecological model of developmental psychology focuses on overall environmental of development. A clinical social worker who is interested in studying the influence of a person's immediate environment on his behavior, focusing on which system? Answer: macro. According to Freud's theory of psychosexual development, the period following the phallic stage is called the latent stage. The basic conflict at the stage of preschool, 3 to 5 years period, according to Erikson's stage of psychosocial development, is initiative versus guilt. One of the first emotion that can be discerned in infancy is distress. The primary sex hormone in male is called testosterone. Dyslexia is a learning disability that affects the ability to read. During the play years, a child's self-concept is defined largely by his or her expanding range of skills or competence. The primary task of adolescence, according to Erikson, is that of establishing identity. The term that refers to disease of all kinds is morbidity. Ageism is understood as prejudice or discrimination against older people. The primary aging refers to irreversible changes that occur with time. The longest lasting kind of memory is called tertiary. Palliative care refers to efforts to relieve pain and sufferings. Hospice is best defined as alternative to hospital care for terminally ill patients. A group which a person uses to shape his own values, belief, attitudes and behavior is called reference group. Movements, child marriages and dowry are examples of reformative social movements. The World Summit of Sustainable Development was held in the year 2002. The style of leadership advocated for effective community practice in enhancing people participation is democratic. Rashtriya Swasthya Bima Yojana, the health insurance coverage for below poverty line families in India, is launched by Central Ministry of Labour and Employment. Which of the following is not a direct action statics in social action strategy? Answer: tax refusal. The Rural Development Program started by Dr. Spencer Hatch in 1921. Marthandam Project. It is a strategy designed to improve the economic and social life of rural poor. Answer: rural development. The Kirarur bomb case in Kerala was associated with which political agitations? Quit India movement. The editor of the newspaper Al Amin, published from Kozhikode, was Muhammad Abdur Rahman. Separate communal electorate for Muslims was first introduced in India through Government of India Act of 1909. The author of the play Pattabaki is K. Damodaran. Dadabhai Naoroji explained his theory of drain of wealth from India or England through the book Poverty and Un-British Rule in India. The founder of Atma Vidya Sangham was Vakfadananda. The tricolor flag is recognized as the national flag of India and it is hosted for the first time in which of the following Congress sessions? Answer: Lahore session of 1929. The first dictionary in Malayalam language was prepared by Benjamin Bailey. Give me blood, I will give you freedom. This is the sentence by which of the leaders of the freedom movement? Subhash Chandra Bose. Which is the autobiography of V.T. Bhattacharya, the Renaissance leader in Kerala? Kannirum Kinavum. Who among the following was the first General Secretary of the Congress Socialist Party formed in 1934? Answer Jayaprakash Narayan. The first English school with government recognition in Travancore for untouchable caste was started under the leadership of Poikil Yohanan. The first woman president of International Congress was Annie Besant. The popular movement started in Travancore in 1932, which described as Paura Samatwa Prakshobham. Answer Abstention Movement. The revolutionary youth organization formed by Bhagat Singh was Navajawan Bharat Safa. The Temple Entry Proclamation of 1936 was associated with which Travancore leader? Sri Chittira Tirunal. Which of the following proposals is described by Gandhi as the post-dated check? Answer Cripps proposals. The Kerala Land Reforms Act aimed at the abolition of landlordism was first passed in 1963. The freedom fighters who is known as the heroine of the Quit India movement of 1942. Answer Aruna Asaf Ali. And the last question is Vrittanta Patra Pravartanam. Vrittanta Patra Pravartanam. The first Malayalam work of journalism is written by K. Ramakrishna Pillai. Okay friends, this is all for today. Video ഇഷ്ടമായെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, കമന്റ് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.